Okay, guys, so I'm doing a unboxing of a Harbor Freight Drillmaster 4.5 inch angle grinder. Now I don't expect to be cutting anything with this. It's strictly a tool that I'm using in uh, unison with my Harbor Freight welder, which I did not buy from Harbor Freight. I actually bought it from a guy who bought it from Harbor Freight and used it twice. So now that I've been welding, I've gotten this angle grinder and I got me a wire wheel just to clean things up pretty fast and keep welding. And I got some welding projects coming up for some people, so um, it's just a lot easier than having to use the little wire brush I have. But it says 4.3 amps, 10,000 RPM. Not anything crazy, but I think this will get the job done. About the price on this thing was $14.99. I had a coupon which brought it down to $9.99. And here's the manual. Here's the angle grinder. It's a little heavy. Might be some copper in there. A little tool. And that's it. A tool and a handle. And yeah, is that a handle? Yeah, that's a tool and a handle. And that's all that's in the box. So we get the box out the way. I'm gonna plug it in real quick so we can see what it sounds like. Oh, that's nice. Alright, untie the twisty tie thing. Oh, they go backwards. Okay. Be right back, guys. Alright, let's see. Where can I plug this in? Over here. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. How does it come on? Power? No? Okay. Alright, we're plugged in. I think this is the power button. I believe this is the power button. Unless I'm doing that wrong. I could be doing it wrong. Oh, okay. Alright, let's see. There we go. Yeah, so it is the power button. I just have to press it a little harder. But, pretty good. Okay, so for the price I paid, which was $10 plus tax, or $9.99 plus tax, warning, to reduce injury, user must read manual, blah, 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 blah. Made in China, like everything else from Harbor Freight. Here's a good look at the spindle. And yeah, it's pretty nice for $10, and I'm pretty sure it'll get the job done with when it comes down to me welding. Here's the label. 4.5 inch angle grinder, 5/8 spindle, and 10,000 RPM, 120 volts, 60 hertz. Yeah, it's pretty much generic angle grinder, but it'll get the job done for what I paid for it. And like I said, I'm not going to be cutting anything with it, just using this wire wheel that I bought to just clean up my welding jobs. And it looks good. I think it'll